Kung Mexican food ang cravings mo, may bagong restaurant sa Marikina City na worth it puntahan. It's the newly opened Street Side Tacos located at 838 JP Rizal Street, Barangay Nangka, Marikina City. And yes, sa loob sila mismo ng Street Side Pizza. From the name of the store, it's obvious na magkapatid sila. Anyway, we decided to drop by for a little family dinner and right away the place felt so welcoming. It's not too fancy, just the right mix of cozy and chill. Perfect for family get-togethers or a simple weekend meal. Heads up lang guys, it's not a fast food setup. Every dish is made to order, kaya naman fresh talaga when served. And they've got a wide variety on their menu from tacos to quesadillas and even fajitas. Plus, do you know the owner himself is from the United States and has been cooking Mexican foods including tacos for about 25 years. Kaya naman balita ko, personal recipe niya yung gamit dito. And they also make their own salsa even yung corn tortilla nila, recipe nila, imported pa from Mexico ang ibang ingredients nila. So paano guys, tikiman time na. First up on their menu is their cheesy quesadilla. Crispy on the outside, super cheesy on the inside. Served with chips, creamy dip, and pico de gallo. Next na in-order namin ay yung loaded nachos nila. Layer after layer of crunchy chips topped with cheese, beef and beans, veggies, plus yung red and green salsa. Masarap siya at hindi nakakaumay, generous ang serving, plus perfect for sharing. Of course, we couldn't skip their tacos. Trinay namin yung combo deals nila for tacos. First is the Cisco Kit for only 299 pesos. Meron ka ng 3 cowboy tacos plus 1 raspberry tea. Ito yung hard shell tacos nila. May madaming cheese with ground beef and beans, lettuce, plus tomato and onions. Mukha siyang basic lang na tacos pero nag-stand out siya sa iba dahil sa lasa ng timpla ng ground beef and beans na ginamit. Also, yung cheese, grabe plus points to sa akin kasi hindi tinipid. Next is their El Camino for only 559 pesos. May 4 Mexican tacos ka na plus 2 horchata de coco. You have 3 flavors to choose from. Pero sa El Camino na combo deal, you can only choose 2 flavors. Kaya we tried their al pastor and yung chicken. Each bite is loaded with flavor, fresh toppings, tender meat, and that soft tortilla that ties everything together. Simple but so satisfying. If tatanungin niyo ako kung alin sa dalawa ang nagustuhan ko, mas lamang sa akin ng onti yung al pastor kasi medyo on the sweeter side siya dahil may pineapple. Share ko lang guys, alam niyo ba yung corn tortilla na gamit nila dito ay sarili nilang gawa and are freshly made upon order. Kaya plus points rin talaga to sa akin. And na-curious din ako sa chili sauce nila. Grabe, di ko kinaya yung anghang. So kung mahina ang tolerance mo sa anghang, ontian mo lang. At perfect na pang cool down, yung horchata de coco nila. It's my favorite actually. It's creamy, refreshing, and just the right amount of sweetness. Combination of coconut milk and cinnamon. And this one's a must-try also. The fajita steak. Juicy, flavorful, and perfectly seasoned. You can really taste that smoky Mexican flavor in every bite. Actually, I like this kasi ang daming ways din para kainin. Tulad nitong ginawa ko, like burrito style, or yung kay Daddy A, tulad ng just like a regular meal. Anything goes ba? So for me, overall, Street Side Tacos is such a nice spot for a laid-back family meal. Great food, good vibes, and that warm, welcoming feel that makes you want to come back again. I know to see is to believe, kaya naman, itry nyo na rin.